There are many ways to lose weight. You can lose weight by forcing yourself to train rigorously according to the instructions of your fitness trainer. But when you stop exercising, what is the result? You eat more and your muscles shrink again and you are as fat as before. In addition, during exercise, because you burn more calories, you feel hungry and eat more. And you end up getting fat before reaching your goal. This actually happened to me. I would like to introduce to you a safer and effective way to lose weight in the long run. It is a scientific combination of natural fruits and vegetables to lose weight. Let's get started with recipe 1. You need 1 cucumber, 1 apple, 1 fresh lemon and 1 piece of ginger. First, you wash all the ingredients. You cut each type into small pieces. Put them all in a blender with 500 milliliters of water. You blend them for 1 minute. You add 1 pinch of salt and blend them again in 1 minute. Then you filter the residue, get the juice. Take 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and add it to the juice. So you've got a cup of delicious fresh juice, packed with vitamins and minerals. In cucumbers, apples, and lemons, there are a lot of vitamin C in combination with ginger, which are factors that help you melt fat effectively and long term. You take 1 cup before each meal. It helps you feel full before a meal, so you eat less and as a result you lose weight. This weight loss is very safe, healthy and not tiring. Moreover, vitamins make your body full of natural nutrients, strengthen resistance, smooth and firm skin. Let's watch the following videos for more natural weight loss recipes. Goodbye and thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel.